Alright, let's talk about beating the heat without tearing up your walls or dealing with a bulky window unit. If you're sweating through summer or just want an easier way to cool down a room fast, you're in the right place. At the trade table, we're all about smart, no-fuss home solutions, and today we're breaking down everything you need to know about portable air conditioners. We'll cover how they work, what features actually matter, the difference between single and dual hose models, and how to keep yours running like new. Let's get started. Here's how portable ACs cool your space. They vent hot air outside using a window kit, similar to a dryer. They remove humidity with either a water reservoir or a drain hose. They take in warm air, cool it with refrigerant, and push the cold air back into the room. Quick tip: a 12,000 BTU portable AC is a great fit for a medium-sized room like a living room or home office. Now let's break down the two main types. Single hose units. Pull in air from the room, cool it, and send it back out. Vent excess heat and moisture through one hose. Efficient and budget-friendly, but they cool a little slower. Dual hose units. Pull in fresh air from outside through one hose. Exhaust hot air and moisture through the second hose. Cool larger or hotter spaces faster and more evenly. If you're trying to cool a big room or an area that gets hot quickly, a dual hose model is your best bet. Here are the features that make daily use a lot easier. A timer to schedule when it turns on or off. A remote control so you don't have to get up to change settings. Fan mode for simple air circulation. Auto mode to adjust temperature automatically. Dehumidify mode for muggy days without running the AC full blast. Oscillation to push air around the whole room. Bonus tip: some models also have a built-in heater, making them useful all year long. A little maintenance goes a long way. Here's what to keep in mind. Clean the air filter every 2 weeks, especially if you have pets. Drain the water tray before and after long-term storage. Wipe down the exterior with a damp cloth. When storing for the winter, cover it with plastic, and keep it in a dry, cool space. These simple steps keep your AC running efficiently and help extend its lifespan. That covers the basics of how to get the most out of your portable air conditioner. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more home comfort tips from the trade table. Have questions or want help choosing the right model? Leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Ready to shop? Head over to thetradetable.com and check out our collection of top-rated portable AC units. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.